This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on Mac. While the game doesn't offer native Mac OS support, there are several effective ways to enjoy this popular title on your Apple computer. We'll explore different approaches, each with its own set of requirements and benefits. Understanding your Mac's capabilities and your internet connection will help you choose the best method for a smooth gaming experience. One excellent way to play Genshin Impact on your Mac is through cloud gaming services. These platforms stream the game directly to your device from powerful remote servers, meaning your Mac's hardware specifications are less critical. You will need a very stable and fast internet connection, ideally with speeds of at least 25 megabits per second, to ensure a smooth and responsive gaming experience without lag. Another option involves running Windows virtually on your Mac. Software like Parallels Desktop allows you to install a full Windows operating system within Mac OS. This method requires you to purchase a Windows license and ensure you have at least 100 gigabytes of free storage space. Game performance will largely depend on your Mac's processor, RAM, and graphics capabilities, offering a more integrated experience. For those with Intel-based Macs, Boot Camp offers the best performance by allowing you to install Windows directly onto your computer's hard drive. This creates a dual boot system, letting you switch between Mac OS and Windows. You will need to partition your drive, allocating at least 100 gigabytes for Windows. Remember, this method is exclusively for Intel Macs and is not supported on newer Apple Silicon models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.